And welcome to a new episode of EPLAN with Chris. Today I'll show you how to switch the displayed language in your project with just one click, and we will take a closer look at the small but important details involved. If you want to know how to switch back and forth between displayed languages, stay tuned, we're getting started right now. Join the community today, hit the subscribe button and never miss a new video again. So, what are the exact steps we need to do to change the language as quick as you've seen it in the intro of the video? So first of all, we go to the EPLAN homepage, and under EPLAN Help you can find the actions which you can use in EPLAN. And for this special case we need the action Set Project Language. And as you can see, we have a few parameters. The project name is not necessary in our case, because we don't want to implement the whole thing with a script. So EPLAN knows which project we use and where to switch the settings. But we need the display. This changes the displayed language, and we could display more than one language at the same time. Then we have to separate the languages with a semicolon. And here we define with variable the displayed language. And we can also switch the source language with this setup, so you always have the right language at the top when you open the dictionary. If we don't switch the source when we switch the displayed language, it can cause troubles, because when you make a double click and go to multi-language input, it would probably display German as the first language, but you displayed English, so maybe you fill in the text in the wrong place. So we make sure we change all three of these parameters with our button. And here we have an example. Set project language, followed by a white space, then a /, display, then a colon, and the language we want to display. So I mark the whole thing, click Ctrl C, and we switch back to EPLAN. In EPLAN we now need to make a right click in the white space from the ribbon bar. We click on Customize Ribbon, and here we add a new tab. We edit the name of the tab and call it Custom Actions. And the command group name will be changed to Switch Displayed Language. And now we click on Insert Device or Insert Macro. It doesn't matter, because we will change the action that comes with this predefined action button. So I stick with Insert Macro and bring it to the right side. And here I change the displayed name to DE_DE for the German part. And here in the command line we need to insert the text from the EPLAN help site. And as you can see, copying the whole text didn't work, so we need to go back and mark every single line. And we only display one language, so we can delete the semicolon. And the last part I will add manually, so we type in source, colon, and DE_DE. And we select the perfect fitting image, which is the German flag. And now we need to do this once more for the English version. But before we do this, I open the German action once again and copy the command line. I insert the command line and switch the text to ENUS. And the displayed name will also be ENUS. And for sure, we choose the US flag. Now we can click on OK, and as you can see, we got the new ribbon tab, Custom Actions, and now we can switch the displayed language from English to German and from German to English. And now when we open the multilingual input, you can see English is on top and German is in the second line. So let's go back and switch to German. And as you can see, now the German part is in the first place and the English text is in the second line. This makes it much easier to fill the texts in the right line and to avoid mistakes. And if you want to know what the short form from your language is, you can see it here in the multilingual input on the left side. If you found this video helpful, please leave a thumbs up and share it with your friends. I hope you have fun trying it out, and I'll see you in the next video.